My name's Emily and I'm an intern here at Access Fort Wayne. Today I'm going to show you guys how we attach the microphone to the camcorder. Unscrew the attachment arm, lift the attachment arm, put the microphone in, and then screw it back into place. Connect the XLR to input 1. Next, we're going to look at the audio console right here. Make sure that the audio console is on. We want to make sure that the phantom power is turned on. To ensure we have good audio levels, we're going to set the volume switch to M. We can now use the dial to control our volume. Finally, always use headphones to monitor your audio. Alrighty, and that's it. Thanks guys for watching and stay tuned for the next tutorial.